Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Nikayla here, and I so appreciate you tuning in to my videos. Today I'm going to be reviewing the MyFirstWig Kinky Straight Headband Wig. I love this so much. I had to tell you guys about it. It was my first time trying MyFirstWig. So let's get into the box. First of all, it comes with a pack of wig caps. It also comes with this cute storage bag, this cute pink storage bag for the wig itself. And then it also comes with a little beauty pouch with some clips and a rat tail comb, which is always handy when you're wearing wigs. So that was really cute. Appreciate that. And then I also ordered these headbands. This didn't come for free, but at the checkout I did opt in for some more headbands because this is a headband wig after all. So now let me take it out of the bag, show you how it looks. So it comes with some, what's this thing called? A protective mesh over it. So this is what the unit looks like straight out of the bag, a little bit wavy. This is a headband wig. So the construction is that it has this Velcro headband at the front, which has two Velcro straps to secure it at the ends, and then it also has combs inside of there. All right, so as you can see, I have just slicked my edges back because this unit looks like my hair. So all I have to do is slick my edges back. I've put my hair into 2 cornrows and applied some gel to the edges, and that's that. So now I'll show you exactly how I put it on. So first of all, I'm gonna put on my wig cap. Just pull it back there, make it exactly in the position I want, and only leave out the front because again, I'm gonna pop this over my hair and leave out my edges so it looks that much more natural. All right, so I just secure and make the wig cap the size that I want it to be. Then I go ahead and pull it over my head, pull the headband forward, pull down the wig in the back, and then put in the comb to secure it. And then I'm gonna take the strap, straighten that out, make it, smooth, get any loose hair from under it. And so you really just want to position the cap where you want. Sometimes I like to pull it all the way forward and then slide it back to make sure it's in the proper position for me. And then I just take the 2 ends that have Velcro on it and secure them by the nape of my head. And there we go. Look at this, you guys. This looks like a fresh blowout. So now I'm going to take my brush and go through and just kind of brush through to get some of the body waves, crimps out that came as a result of shipping out of the hair. But as you can see, this looks really good, fresh out of the package. This looks like my hair. This looks so awesome. This hair is super soft. It's really, really great quality, like really great quality. There's nothing like synthetic feeling or fake about this hair. This, you run your hands through this feels like your hair. And I think it looks perfect just straight with some brushing out of the box. Like, I don't feel any need to put any heat on this at all. And you guys, as soon as I whipped this out the box, I fell in love with it. This is a top 3, meaning I would wear this every single day. And as a matter of fact, I have been wearing it every day since I tried this on. So now I'm just going to show you what it looks like with some headbands. So this headband, it's giving me Princess Diana, it's giving me Princess Megan, it's giving me Duchess, it's giving me Dance Hall Queen. I don't know, it's giving me everything. It's giving me everything. I love it. I don't know where I'm gonna wear this to, but I definitely know I'm wearing that one day. But then for your everyday headbands, I love popping on this brown one. I'll put the link to this headband in my description box. This is from Amazon. And look at this. This is your work meeting. This is your going for brunch. This is your going to the store, going to Target. This is everything. This right here looks so natural. Let me sit back so you guys can see this. Can you see this? All right. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Like, this hair is so simple to put on. It looks beautiful. And I love it. You can also pull this back in a ponytail if you like. This is the texture. Again, you saw that I just passed the brush through like once or twice, and that's how good it looks, you guys. And so here it is with one of these headbands that I purchased from MyFirstWig. Let's be clear. Oh, this is so cute. So you just kind of slide it over your head and tuck it in, and you can wear this to the gym, you can wear this to work out, you can wear this anywhere pretty much. These are super, super cute. But I really prefer my Princess Diana look or my brown one. So I'm gonna rock with that for now. But I just wanted to give you guys an option that I think looks super realistic if you're not into super long or super dense wigs. The density here is 130%. So it's not overpowering at all. It's not too bulky. And this is something that you can wear to the office or wear on Zoom, throw on for a conference, anything you need without having to do a ton to your hair, and also keep your hair protected. You do not have to put in the wig combs. You do not have to put in anything at all. And I feel like my edges are growing back and revitalizing as a result of protective styling with headband wigs. All right, so enjoy.